All right, Algebra 1, we're going to do just a couple examples that you need to write down to make sure that you know how to solve an equation. So this is 1.1. Solving equations. The first one I want to do is, let's do 1/5 x equals -4. All right, the first step in solving this, if we want x by itself, is to get rid of the 1/5. To get rid of a fraction, remember we multiply by the reciprocal. So we're going to multiply by 5/1. Reciprocal, you just flip it. Okay, multiplying across, that would be 5/5, which is just 1. So those cancel. That's gone. Then over here, I have to multiply by 5/1. Multiplying across here, that would be -20, -4 times 5, over 1, 1 times 1, or just -20, because anything divided by 1 is itself. That gives me x equals -20. That makes sense if I look back at the problem, because then I could say 1/5 of -20 equals -4. So we did that correctly. Right? So that was example 1. One more example. And that is 3x plus 6 equals 5x plus 7. Okay, so first notice that we have variables on both sides. We don't want variables on both sides, so we have to figure out how to move the variable so that they're all on one side. So because the 3x is smaller, I know if I move it, it'll keep x positive. So it doesn't matter which one I move, but I like positive numbers, so I'm going to move the 3x. So because it's positive 3x, I can subtract 3x, and then I subtract it over here, which gives us 2x plus 7. So we have 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 x's, and then we bring down our plus 7. Remember, these are not like terms. This has an x and this doesn't, so I cannot put those together. All right, now x is right here. I want x by itself. So to get this x alone right here, I have to move everything else. We take care of the addition and subtraction always before the multiplication and division. So this plus 7, the opposite of plus 7 would be minus 7. Okay. So here, plus 7 minus 7, that's 0, that's gone. Here, that would leave me with -1. 6 minus 7. So now I have -1 equals 2x. To get the x by itself, these two are touching by multiplication. To undo multiplication, we're going to divide, because division is the inverse of multiplication. So it leaves me x equals -1/2. And that is my final answer. All right, those are your two problems for tonight. Now your job, I'll write it up here, is to write a one-step equation with a fraction or a multi-step equation, meaning it has more than one step, and then solve it. So you're writing and solving your own equation, one step with a fraction or multi-step without. And that's it. That's all you need to bring to class. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you need any help.